So there are times when you cut yourself and you bleed, and other times where you don't. Why is that? Well, it all depends on how deep that cut is. You see, the skin is made up of a bunch of layers, and each layer is unique in the structures that it contains. The hypodermis or subcutaneous layer may or may not be considered a part of the integument, but for our purposes, it is. This layer is mostly filled with the specialized cells called adipocytes. These cells are filled with fat and leave little room for the rest of their organelles. They are held in place by loose connective tissue, which we call areolar connective tissue, composed of collagen, elastic, and reticular fibers. The fiber and fat combo works great as an insulator to keep our internal organs nice and warm. The fat also protects our organs from trauma by softening any blows dealt to the body, and it can also be used as a source of emergency energy. The hypodermis does contain a few other structures within. There are neurons with specialized receptors that sense pressure and disturbances called mechanoreceptors. The two mechanoreceptors in the hypodermis are the bulbous corpuscle, responsible for the kinesthetic sense in our fingers and grip, and the posinian corpuscle, which are larger and sense vibrations and pressures that could be used to tell surface textures apart. Fluid-filled sacs called bursae are also found in the skin. These sacs are surrounded by a synovial membrane and are found near the joints. We do have 4 different types, but the subcutaneous bursae is the only one that is found in the skin, and it helps move the skin with the joint. Some muscles are also found around the skin. Thin flat muscles called Panniculus carnosus help the skin flex and relax with certain movements. Mammary glands, which are actually modified sweat glands, exist mostly in the subcutaneous and produce milk instead of sweat. Then there are the nerves that connect up to the corpuscles and also bridge to the upper layers of the skin, just like the blood and lymph vessels.